Hey, what's up guys? We are back again with another video. In this video, we are going to show you how you can take screenshot using the Redmi Note 11. This method is really simple. You can just need to push the volume down and the power button simultaneously. Just push it and you can easily take the screenshot. I am going to show you again. Here you can see I'm easily taking the screenshot using that particular method. Well, the second method is also really simple. You just need to use your three finger gesture in order to take the screenshot, and you just need to swipe it down. Easily you can take the screenshot using that particular method. As you can see, I'm just swiping down and it can easily take the screenshot on this particular device. If that method is not working for you, you just need to open up your setting, scroll down towards the advanced setting here, and in here you will find out gesture shortcuts. Here you will find out take a screenshot option, and you just need to open up the slide three finger down button here. If that is turned on, you just need to turn it on and you can easily take the screenshot using that particular method. The third method is also really simple. You just need to swipe down from the right side, and in here you will find out an option of screenshot. You just need to tap on that and easily you can take the screenshot using that particular method. As you can see, I'm just pressing that button and I can take the screenshot quite easily. If you want to do a scrollable screenshot on your device, the method is also really simple. Any method you can choose in order to take the screenshot, like you can use the power button and you will find out an option here, scroll button. You just need to tap on that and it can easily scroll down at the bottom of the screen, and all the screenshot will be taken using that particular method. You just see that it easily take the screenshot of the whole screen as scrolling down automatically. Also interestingly, you will see that there are a bunch of options you can write on the screenshot. In here you can erase that writing which you have done it. You can choose different kinds of color here. Also you can put the text on here easily. There are a bunch of other options available. You can use them as well. Also, when you go into the gallery, you will have bunch of options available here through which you can choose for the screenshot. You can either make that screenshot as your wallpaper, share it with your friends and family using different methods, and also you have option to copy that kind of a screenshot on your device. You can also make them as a wallpaper here, and also you can adjust the size of that particular wallpaper, which is definitely going to be a great option to have in the Xiaomi Redmi Note 11. So guys, I hope this video has helped you out in some way. These are the simple methods through which you can take screenshot on your device. Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Peace.